how we did. Tender. Beautiful. Beautiful. Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So for today, we got some filet mignon prime. Just bought them at Sam's Club. So we wanted to change the scenery, go to the park. We came to a park to barbecue. A little bit of silver skin. Maybe I should trim that off. So I didn't bring no cutting board with me. We just came to the park. A spontaneous thing to do. ¿Cómo se dice, Maria? Out of the blue, we decided to come to the park and throw a piece of meat on the grill. Is lemon pepper. Season all four sides. Make sure you get all the edges. Then I picked up some onions at the grocery store. So I got some Mexican onions, the big bulb. These are pretty simple too. I'm gonna just go ahead and trim that side right there. And then we got some jalapenos. This is pretty much our lunch at the park. This is gonna be our lunch for this evening. I believe we're in Santa Barbara County, California. And this park is called Toro Canyon Park. And if you guys ever want to come out to this, it's a beautiful park. Let me pan out a little bit so you guys can see what I see. It's beautiful. So you got the canyon up there, the mountains, all but oak trees. And that's where I got the oak that I found. They got horseshoes over there. And there's nobody in this park but us. It's beautiful over here. They also got a restroom. They got a dog's park over there. I'm going to show you guys how to build a fire out here in this beautiful park we're at. So I just picked this up on the way over here. I seen a pine tree. And then I found some oak. Some oak wood. It looks like white oak to me. So just get a little we'll get some twigs right here. The way I clean the barbecue grill is I just got some paper towels and wet the paper towels and I gave it a good clean. So let's just go ahead and add our onions, jalapenos, all right, let's put these filet mignons. So fire is nice and hot. I'll bring you back once we get a little bit closer. They've been here about 10 minutes. Beautiful. It's gonna be bomb.com. All right, grain's going this way. So we need to cut this way. Let's go just down the middle. See how we did. Tender. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, baby.
All right, change of scenery. We had to come home. It was a slight emergency. Oh, the filet mignon. It came out good. It's juicy and tender. Go for another bite. Bomb. Freaking jalapeno is spicy like crazy. The meat's tender. It's soft. It's juicy. Bomb. You know what I taste in there? That oak wood, the white oak that we picked up off the ground. That comes through really, really nice. That's what I really taste in the meat. It's delicious. So, prime filet mignon. Simple, easy, few tacos. I even bought store-bought salsa. No big deal. Went to the park, had a great time, but we needed to come home. We finished the video here. So, check it out. Filet mignon, prime. Super tender, super juicy. And somebody wants that piece. So, thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Gracias. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And thank you again for all the subscribers that we're getting. Amen. Gracias. I'll see you guys on the next one.